Hi everybody, it's Michelle with Open Box Reviews, and today I have a folding wagon. This is something that I plan on using mostly for camping, but I teach a sport that I have to carry a bunch of stuff, so it can be used for that, it can be used for groceries, so many uses for this just because of how small it is and easy to store and easy to assemble. So when you get it, it comes in a box like this, and then there's 4 wheels, not a headband. I'm in my daughter's room. So there's the 4 wheels and that. And as you can see, it's quite compact. For example, I have a coffee mug here. That's my coffee mug. I'm thinking this is a little over a foot by about 6 inches tall. So right now I'm going to try and put it together, and I will show you how that's done. And I'm going to see if I can find a way to do this so you can see it in real time. Okay. So here's my setup. First you have these Velcro straps, pop off, and they just slide out of this. And then this becomes the inside bottom layer of the wagon once it's all the way unfolded. I'm going to put it upside down, and I'm going to extend it, and I'm going to grab this middle section right here and pull toward me to fully extend the wagon. Like so. Next, you can see that there are these holes with sort of a bearing situation, and then there's these ones with no bearing, but they're squared. So when you go to install the wheels, you're going to want to check. There's these ones with a square insert, and then there's these ones that are more rounded. And all you're going to do is look for these red buttons on either side, and this is the square one, so I'm going to take the square wheel, I'm going to pop it in there, and then I'm going to release the buttons, and my wheel is installed. Same thing at the bottom. And then these sides, and one more here. And now my wagon is fully assembled. Let me see if I can, I don't think I can zoom out at all, but hopefully you can see that okay. In here, it's flat, but it's not completely solid. So that's why we're going to take this piece that was our outside piece that is got a hard piece in between here. I just like piece a lot. Anyway, we're going to shove that in the bottom. And now the bottom is more stable. There is a zipper pocket in here, which I'll show you in a minute. Here's the wagon part. This side you can hook onto there so that it doesn't collapse. I can turn it. This side has reflective strips. Turn it again. This side has one large mesh pouch. Turn it again, and I have 2 cup holders. And then right here, as you can tell, is the handle. You can see that it turns a little bit. It also bends forward, but it's a pressure mount situation, so when you release, it's going to go back. To extend it, there is a button on the inside here that I'm going to press and pull up. And then you can extend it even further by pressing the red button in the handle. And I'll show you what that looks like. So here the wagon is with the handle fully extended, and I can move it all the way around. Now that it's fully extended, I'll grab my coffee mug again so you can see how big that is. This is a decent sized coffee mug too. So it's decent sized. It's still quite small, but it's very deep. And there are dimensions on the listing of this. This is an Amazon product that I received from Amazon Vine. You can see that it's quite big. It's very handy for, like I said, groceries, or if you camp, throw your firewood in there, anything like that. And when you're all done and you want to take it apart, you just press the little red buttons on both sides to release the wheels and put it all back together. I've already done it a couple times now. It really moves very smoothly. So if you have any questions on this, feel free to leave a comment. I'll try my best to help you out. And for now, there's the brand. I hope this was helpful.